What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I have to do another video on this site, Prizerebel. I haven't done a video on it in a while, but I'm still making money with it. It's just one of those sites where it just does what it's supposed to do. I'm saying? Everything that you want in the site that you want it to do, Prizerebel, offers that to you. You'll see here at the top, I have 53 points. That is equivalent to 53 cents. Over here on this left side, they have different bonuses that they'll offer throughout. Right here, earn extra points, offer wall bonus. This is a bonus that usually just runs one day, and for every 3 surveys or 3 offers that you do, you get an additional 30 points. So that's just something that just kind of incentivize so people actually use the site, to make money with it. Right here, they have the daily challenge where you have to get at least 155 points, and they give you an extra 10 cents on that one. The 5-day challenge, if you continue to get this 155 points for 5 days straight, not only will you get the 10 cent every day, but you'll get an extra 50 cents. So, I just love when sites offer bonuses because it just, motivates you to keep using it and keep making money with it. And you have the timer here, showing you basically, you had 24 hours to do it. So that's, just one of the things that I want to show you. This is the home page. They have different things, your surveys, your daily survey. This is very popular, 71 cents for each one of them. My favorite survey provider on this site is Samplelicious, and I want to show you why real quick. So I'm going to go over here to earn and click on surveys. And this is why I love Samplelicious, because they offer different amounts of money for different times of the survey. So I'm going to show you what I mean when it actually finishes loading up. So this is the Your Surveys. I'm going to click on Samplelicious right here. And this is what I mean right here. For they have 85 cents one. This survey right here, I mean, usually I would say takes anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes, 85 points. This one right here, unique surveys, they're kind of like, all over the place, and anywhere between 5 to 20 minutes, you'll get 60 points for that one. But right here, the extra surveys, up to 10 minutes, 30 points, up to 5 minutes, 15 points. So, these surveys are not taking long. And I tell you, I have taken, both of these surveys, a few times, and they do actually stay within the time range. I've never had one that I took where it said up to 10 minutes and it's taking me more than 10 minutes. So, I mean, that's just one of them. If you don't want to take, long surveys, I recommend just kind of jumping over doing the quick surveys. And up here, they have different survey providers that you can do. Like I said, Samplage is my favorite one. Also, Your Surveys, I'll click on that one as well, just to kind of show you, different amounts you can do. Right here, they have, right here, let me see, 24 minutes, 181, 20 minutes, 136, 24 minutes, 240. You can kind of just look at them and, decide, what the time and what they're paying you, is it worth it to you? Like I said, that's the Your Surveys part, Samplelicious. Goal surveys are another good one that I like to jump over and try to do. These surveys here, they kind of just, pay different amounts for, different times. I think for these, it's usually about, 10, 15-minute surveys, just kind of depends on what they have out there. But I recommend kind of jumping up and trying those. But those are the survey sections. I'll go over here to offer walls, because when it comes to offers, like I said, this is what I was talking about with the bonus. I'm saying you just kind of do 3 of them, and you get an additional 30 points. Surveys are included as well in the Peanut Labs. That's another good one that I like to jump over and try. But when it comes to the survey providers, these are the ones that they have here. AdGate Media, that's one of my favorite ones. AdSend Media and Offer Turo. You'll see those across many Get Paid To sites, and it's because they have offers that people not only like to complete, but they're actually getting credited for it. So, and they have a really good, reputation, with, sites like this. Revenue Universe is another good one I like to try. So, I mean, that's just, when it comes to offers, like I always say, it's just basically signing up, valid information, name, email, little basic information, and, getting credited. I mean, it's usually takes you in between like 5, maybe 10 minutes, just depending on how fast you are signing up, but it does not take a long time, and it's easy and it's free. So that's why I'm always trying to search for offers that ask you to, just sign up valid information. I'm see if I can find any one of them down here. Like this one, sign up with your email address and complete the 2-page registration. So basically, you just register for it. You register for a $100 gift card, and they're going to give you 110 points for doing that. Just like that. You can also install apps, run this app, 11 points. You can do a survey, enter it, valid email address, and complete the survey, 97 points. But these right here is what I'm talking about. Sign up with valid information, 92 points. register with valid information, and confirm your email, 88 points. You know what I'm saying? It's just that simple. Register with valid information, confirm your email, 88 points again. So, I mean, just I like to go through and kind of search all of these offer walls just for easy ones like that. And you can really pile up fast and, just, making your money with it. So, I mean, I always recommend, for those of you who, especially who struggle with surveys to, try the offers because, there's lots of offers and they're getting continuously added day by day. So, it's something that in there that you can definitely complete. Now, when it comes to the rewards, as far as what you can cash out with, they have a variety of different ways to cash out, from PayPal to Amazon to different gift cards. Just it's a lot that you can choose from. The minimum to cash out in this site is $2. I'll show you that right here. They have Amazon, PayPal. These are the most popular ones, obviously, but they do have discounted offers. I mean, discounted rewards as well. You see right here, I can get a $10 restaurant gift card for only $4. I mean, that's a really good trade-off, you know what I'm saying? So they have discounts. If you can actually search, the kind of rewards you want to choose from or different categories over here. So I'm going to show you Amazon because I think Amazon is the one that has discounts as well. PayPal, they used to have discounts, but they don't do it anymore, just because they would probably lose a lot of money in offering, discounts with PayPal. But here's the Amazon gift cards you can choose from. They run the discounted offers, but discounted rewards. I don't know why I keep saying offers, but the discounted rewards from time to time. It's not all the time, but just here and there, you kind of get it. But the points are pretty much evened out as far as what you're going to be getting. $2, 200 points. $10, 1,000 points. Stuff like that. They got restaurant gift cards on here that you can choose from. Like I said, you can kind of search in here as far as what you want to do. They got some travel stuff. I'm sure there's like some flights in here that you can go to, some Airbnbs, hotels, stuff like that. So, like I said, they got Uber, hotel. What else? Let me see. They got, like I said, Airbnb. So, I mean, there's something in here. You just kind of have to play around with it. The $1 to $5 rewards. This is probably, something, especially for a new user using this site. It's kind of what you want to pay attention to, just for if you want to just cash out as quick as possible. I'm really liking this, the $10 restaurant gift card for $4. I mean, you really can't beat that. That's probably like the biggest discount I've, ever seen. Like that's 60% off right there. So you gotta love stuff like that. That's what I talk about with the discount offers. Dunkin' Donuts, Subway, which I already mentioned, eBay, things like that. So these are the cheaper rewards, and you can see here on the side, everybody's cashing out. A lot of them are doing Amazon. That's what it seems to be like the most popular one, which is why it's under the most popular section. But I mean, there you have it. I mean, and rewards right here, instant reward delivery for Gold Plus members. So they do have levels where you sign up. You're a bronze member, you're a silver member, you're a gold member. Then you get to diamond and platinum. But once you get gold, all you have to do is basically get, I think like it's $10, or I think, no, it's $25 in order to get a gold member. So once you made $25 with the site, you're a gold member and all your rewards will be delivered to you instantly. And even if you're not, like say you sign up and you're a bronze or a silver member, you'll still get your reward within one day. So that's not even bad. That's quicker than most sites. Some sites, tell you, okay, we'll pay you within a week or, 2 to 3 days, which isn't bad. But, if a site's going to pay you within 24 hours, hey, I mean, I'm not complaining on that, but they do offer instant delivery once you've kind of, did a few cash outs and, made money with like that. So, I mean, different ways you can make money with it, surveys, offers, watching videos as well. There's, just plenty on here. And as far as cashing out, there's a variety of ways. So there's definitely something that you can find. And it says right here, you can claim 3 rewards per day. So, I mean, you can do 3 different cash outs. You can do PayPal, Amazon, restaurant gift card, just things like that. So I'm going to leave this site, the link to the site in the description. You can sign up. It is completely free to sign up. Go ahead, sign up with it, start making some money, start doing some surveys, offers, whatever you feel like doing. Just making some good side money, good supplemental income. Prizerebel has been around a really long time. It has a really high rating. Lots of people love it. So I recommend that you signing up for it, making it easy money. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.